So it's November 5th, 2022. That's between 8:30 and 9 o'clock in the morning. I just did a quick video on VFR conditions. Is it a day that you can fly VFR? And now we've got a jet taking off. I'm sure that he's got a flight plan filed, but we'll see how long it takes him to get into the clouds. It won't take long. Very questionable conditions, borderline conditions for VFR. This guy's not VFR, and he's up quick. Looks like a citation. See the blue skies there, and then the clouds. He disappeared. He just disappeared into that cloud. He's gone. That didn't take long. I'm thinking maybe the clouds are 1,500 feet then. I can't see them anywhere. Yeah, so maybe not for VFR today. It's too borderline. You know, I was questioning that earlier in another video. Same place, same conditions, but he disappeared. How about that? Yeah. So if he's VFR, he was illegal right there, but I'm sure he's not VFR.